Welcome to the walkthrough video tour of this home in Fulshear, Texas with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms. This grand 2-story has a 4-car detached garage built in 2008. It's on a corner lot in an amazing neighborhood, so established, and look at that view just across the road. Inside, there's 5,223 square feet of space. A breathtaking foyer will greet your guests with a staircase, a study, and a big dining room. There's plantation shutters throughout. This is a splendid one-of-a-kind trendmaker home located in Cross Creek Ranch, sitting on a corner premium lot, walking distance to the resort and pool across from the walking trails. Gorgeous shutters and extensive crown molding await you in this home, with beautiful appointments, indirect lighting, and wainscoting along the wall here in the dining room, connected to a gorgeous kitchen. That staircase is breathtaking, with wrought iron spindling and a wooden banister taking you into a large family room, but not before we go past a powder room, which is so convenient in location. This is a splendid one-of-a-kind with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage. There's 2 bedrooms on the downstairs level. This house has a beautiful family room with an open concept, wood floors, and a wall of windows, with a view of a magnificent backyard with a swimming pool. The kitchen is an absolute dream. It will impress any chef. With custom cabinets, granite countertops, a tiled backsplash, beautiful stainless steel appliances, a spacious walk-in pantry that offers a barn door. This kitchen is gorgeous and perfectly set up for anything you need, with a utility room just off the kitchen, countertops, and cabinets. Look at the size of this pantry. What a great use of space. This home is so functional and beautiful, with a large master awaiting you and a gorgeous view. Private access to the backyard, your own fireplace, a recessed entertainment area, and a gorgeous master bathroom where you can relax and enjoy everything about this private space. A jetted tub, a separate shower, big walk-in closets, a huge amount of space for you and your partner to really enjoy this relaxing room, and all the privacy. On the upstairs level, there's so much to offer. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a flex room, with a custom-built workstation here in the hall. There's also a nice game room on the 2nd level. A neutral paint palette which makes it so easy to move right in. You don't have to change anything about this home. Here's one of the 4 upstairs bathrooms. Gorgeous. So much space and luxury and a big walk-in closet. This home is impressive in so many ways, with lots of room for organization. And in case you're wondering, it's zoned to excellent Katy ISD schools. Enjoy the charm of this home. So many rooms, you can use them for whatever your family's needs may be. And enjoy this big, bright family game room with custom-built shelves that are recessed in the wall. Enjoy the backyard and the covered patio with ceiling fans. You're not far from anything, but it's so nice and private. Look at this yard space. And the in-ground pool. Enjoy the hot tub attached as well. Entertain and relax right here. This home is in a great location. You can enjoy all the lakes, parks, walking trails, swimming pools, and the Italian cafe at Cross Creek Ranch. Welcome to your next home.